Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here in front of the wall about the ongoing situation of the Rohingya in Cox's Bazar refugee camp. The situation of the Rohingya refugee is heartbreaking and is getting worse every day. These people who have already suffered so much are now facing even greater struggle. Starting next month, they will only receive a $6 ration, a hug decrease from the $12 they were getting before. This amount is simply not enough to feed a family, especially when many refugees in the camps have no way to earn money. They cannot work as a laborers, teachers, or in any other jobs, leaving them completely dependent on it. If a man gets $6 rations next month, he will only have 24 Bangladeshi taka to survive on in a day, which is not enough for even a single plate of rice. The situation is even more dangerous as they face growing fears of kidnapping and violence. These people are trapped in a life of fear, hunger, and uncertainty. Every day, they live with the worry of not knowing if they will be safe or if their children will have enough to eat. People cannot die when they get enough food for a month, but I fear that without proper support, many people will die from hunger in the future. The world cannot look away from this crisis any longer. These are real human beings, not statistics. They have hopes, dreams, and futures that should be protected. We urgently call on the global community, governments, humanitarian organizations to come together and increase their support for the Rohingya refugee in Cox's Bazar. They need more help to survive with dignity and safety. No one should have to live like this, and no child should grow up in constant fear. The world must act now before it is too late. Thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.